Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting now? Open Google Pay and sign in with your Google account. If prompted, accept basic permissions so the app can access NFC and notifications. Next, tap Add Payment Method, then choose Card to scan or enter details manually. This is where you link the actual funding source, so make sure the card number, expiry, and CVV match the physical card. Once done, verify your phone lock method. Google Pay requires a screen lock for security before you continue. Now you'll verify the card. Follow the bank's chosen method, SMS code, banking app prompt, or a temporary charge. Enter any code or confirm the micro deposit amount to finish linking. Next, set your default card for tap to pay and configure preferences like transaction notifications and payment profile details. Make sure contactless payment is active by testing a small purchase. This confirms NFC and security settings are correct. If you use multiple cards, label them clearly to avoid To complete a purchase, unlock your phone and hold it near the terminal until you see a checkmark or confirmation. Some terminals ask you to select credit or debit, so choose accordingly. If a payment fails, first make sure NFC is on and the correct card is set as default, then check for bank holds or expired card info. If verification stalls or charges are blocked, temporarily switch to another card and contact your bank or Google Pay support for resolution. They can clear holds or reinitiate verification.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.